Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you're well. I hope you stay positive and stay focused. Whatever is happening right now, we have to keep going. And first of all, in this video I have it's a request. I have a lot of questions to answer from a couple of clients, the people that reach out to me. Now, what I wanted to say is I have been asked a lot if you can place direct affiliates into to your boards on Pinterest and put them on the pin, and the answer is of course yes, you can. Obviously, affiliate marketing is the best way for you to monetize your account and grow, your following faster rather than, if you, for example, you're new on Pinterest, you don't know what to pin, is the best way, if you don't have a lot of content, to use affiliates and grow your account. Now, what you can do is you don't need a website. That's another thing. You can use the links directly to grow your account. And also on my Pinterest affiliate masterclass that I created, there is different ways of how to do correctly direct affiliate on Pinterest. Also in the masterclass that I have created is strategies that help you earn income the right way, and also how to design the right pins and promote it to your group boards, circulate them to your group boards. Affiliate marketing is a way for you to actually earn passive income. And on Pinterest at present, if you are new, you don't know what to pin, along with your own content, please add affiliates. There is over 10 different companies on my mini course that you can find and register to grow your business and earn money. Especially now, even if you are not online and you don't know where's the money come from, you should start having a business account and start growing a professional account of Pinterest, growing an income. You don't need to have a website. If you are online and you have a website, the best thing to do is to continue drive traffic to your website, but also you can create direct links to your boards, fill up your boards, create nice designs. On my class, you receive free editable Canva templates for your pins that you can use them again and again and again. And you can actually change your design, like put your website brand colors and then, pin them out. As we talk a lot is about, traffic, is pinning is obviously going to give you a lot of views. So find the right keywords and start pinning. And if you have your own content, add affiliates. I have to say that I have been seeing people rushing. I have been seeing people stressing. There is no need to stress. If you just started, you need to grow your account ethically, and you need to, take a deep breath and write down a couple of things you want to ask me, or leave your comments below, or join my Facebook, subscribe to my blog, subscribe to my channel, and stay in touch. Let's say you have a plan for your own business. Let's say you have an e-commerce and you say, oh, I don't want to place affiliates, for instance. I'm sending my own products. I want to do this. I want to do that. Well, what you can do is actually affiliates is the right way to build a relationship with big brands and big businesses, and find an excuse to contact those brands and have a professional collaboration, and that will help you also to grow your business. Have you ever thought about that? Not really, not people that are not really thinking, especially now that there is this pressure, this stress going on. You have to change your mindset. You have to get out there. I've seen people posting and posting on Twitter, and they try to get a client. You need to learn a way to nurture the sale. You need to learn a way to make people subscribe to your services and, sell your products, sell other people's products, but doing it the right way. So think a couple of questions like, do I have the right business plan to grow Pinterest affiliate marketing on Pinterest? Think about how many new boards you can create. If you're new, you have 5 boards. You can sit down, have a look through how many other boards you can create and fill up with affiliates. And remember, that is going to give you a lot of followers. That is one way that's going to give you a lot of followers, because you're going to put different keywords, you're going to have subjects, you're going to try to help people. So that will give you a lot of followers. So think of that as well. So I want you to think about those a couple of questions and come back to me again. Leave the comments below if you want, but focus on moving forward. Don't stuck. Don't fear, success. Don't rush as well. Have a plan. Whatever you do, you need to have a plan. If you want to grow online business or even offline, it's the same. We need affiliates. Affiliates is a way to reach out and grow your own business. That's why a lot of people get suspended from Pinterest, which I don't understand, is to get all these dodgy links and all these ads, and you trying to read the blog and you're trying to see the video or something, and you have all those things coming out, and then Pinterest will block them. No, Pinterest is a very good way to earn income and following a strategy. So yes, you can do it directly on the link. And yes, you don't need a website, so you need to start thinking, for those who don't have a business, how to earn some extra income while you're waiting on this uncertainty. But you have to keep going. So that's why I created this Pinterest Affiliate Masterclass, for you to learn the correct way to increase passive income on Pinterest. And something, it's a good way also to grow your business, to grow your profile. You can create many boards. You can even create a group boards and grow a following. You're going to get much followers, because you have to think like a business person. On my class, I have offered different ways and different companies to find a way to grow, to find affiliate companies, so you can grow and different questions, different strategies to find the relevant, obviously, companies for what you are selling already, what is your products already. Then I have the template that you can use again and again and again, so you don't need to create your own design if you're not a Canva designer, or you're struggling, because sometimes you need to have everything ready. Just change the color and just put it out, especially now if you start focusing on creating the right content. And if you don't have a blog and you just started your own business and you're selling products, I advise you can have a blog and give a couple of advices on your blog and trying to put them into your email list. That will also help you grow your affiliates as well, because you can sell it through the email list. Okay, this is it for today. So please leave your comment below, subscribe to my channel, and if you need any help, reach out to me. And thank you very much for watching, and I wish you well.